Grandpa, tell me the lantern story again.
Again?
Again?
Again? I like that story. A little light can help many people.
Really?
Yes, more than you think.
I love our evening walks.
And the village loves your smile.
Grandpa, are you sick?
Just a little, sweetheart. Lily, will you carry the lantern for me?
Me?
I know you can do it.
I'm scared to go alone.
Kindness is never too small.
I can't find my scarf.
Don't worry, I'll help you.
Thank you, dear.
I lost my puppy. Let's look for him together. There he is! We found him! Thank you so much. You're the best! I'm happy he's safe.
I dropped my keys.
I'll help you find them.
Thank you, young lady. I'm lost.
Follow me. I'll show you the way.
Thank you for listening to me.
I like hearing your stories. Grandpa, you're better.
Thanks to your courage.
Thank you, Lily.
Thank you, Lily.
For what?
Well done!
So kindness is the real light?
Exactly, my sweet girl. Even the smallest act of kindness can brighten someone's world.